Hey there fellow car nerds, welcome back to MG Guy Vintage Vehicles. Greg here with a new kit car vehicle video showcasing some of the hottest vehicles available for sale across North America this week. You'll find links in the video description below for each of these vehicles. Alright, enough talk, let's get on with today's kit car vehicles for sale. Okay, let's get started with this 1957 Porsche 356A, listed for $39,999 Canadian in East St. Paul, Manitoba. It's been driven 500 kilometers and has a manual transmission. From the seller's description, fresh Manitoba safety, replica Porsche 356A coupe built on a VW chassis, 4-speed manual transmission, 1600cc engine, very fun driver, reasonable offers considered. Alright, here's a 1977 Austin Healey, and the owner is looking for a trade, listed in Catawba, South Carolina. It has an automatic transmission and a clean title. From the seller's description, trade for other cool rides, titled as a 1977 Ford Healey because it's sitting on a 1977 Ford Mustang suspension, 350 V8 with an automatic transmission, full roll cage, new tires. It still needs to be finished like a custom dash, battery box, little things. And up next, we have this 1962 Rattler Dune buggy, listed for $12,000 US in Staten Island, New York. It's been driven 9,222 miles, has a manual transmission, and from the seller's description, 1962 Volkswagen Rattler Dune buggy, excellent condition, in great shape inside and out, and runs smooth, street legal with lights, signals, and plates, clean title in hand.
Color's just beautiful, eh?
Oh.
Definitely made the right call there.
Okay, here we have a 2015 Factory 5 Shelby Daytona, listed for $87,000 Canadian in Surrey, BC. From the seller's description, $87,000 Canadian or $62,000 US. The bodywork and paint just got completed. The car hasn't been on the road since being completed, and it is fully insured, 8,000 miles on it. Okay, here we have a 1974 Bugatti, listed for $7,500 US in Lincoln Park, Michigan. Its condition is listed as used good, and from the seller's description, runs, will need brakes looked at, strong 351 motor, dual exhaust, overall good condition. Hey everyone, I just want to interject for 30 seconds here. If you are enjoying my content, please consider becoming a channel member by clicking the join button below or using the link in the channel details below the video. For about the price of a cup of coffee per month, you'll not only be helping me produce these videos, but you'll have access to each and every video before they go live on YouTube, usually around 24 hours ahead of the videos going live. Alright, let's get back to the vehicles. And here we have a 1958 Ferrari 250 Testarossa replica, listed for $55,000 US in Hillsboro, Oregon. It's been driven 3,000 miles and has a manual transmission, also listed in excellent condition, and from the seller's description. Hand-built epoxy fiberglass body, custom chassis, 350 Chevy, T10 4-speed, disc brakes, coilovers, knockoff wire wheels, $55,000 or best offer. Alright, here we have a DF Goblin kit car, listed for $20,000 US in Inverness, Florida. Its condition is listed as used like new, and from the seller's description. Custom built car from a 2007 Chevy Cobalt, Ecotec 2.2 liter rear engine, 100% street legal go-kart. It has a marine stereo system, so no worries with getting it wet, adjustable rear struts, Sparco racing seats and 4-point harnesses, billet shifter, currently registered in Montana, willing to trade for camper van or vehicle of approximate value, willing to discuss reasonable offers including cars, trucks, and Jeeps with an appropriate dealer trade-in value. Alright, up next we have this 2024 low-speed vehicle roadster, listed for $4,500 US in Krotz Springs, Louisiana. From the seller's description, 2024 Roadster replica low-speed vehicle, lithium battery with charger, disc brakes, Bluetooth radio, lights, blinkers, taillights, seatbelts, fun car to drive, does about 30 miles per hour, cash only, no trades. Okay, so this one needs a lot of work, but is being given away for free. Special thanks to viewer Brian for sending this ad to me. If you find a vehicle for sale that will fit one of my videos, you can email the link to mgguyvintagevehicles@gmail.com. There is a link for the email in the details below the video. Here we have a 1981 Tri-Magnum kit car, listed for free on Craigslist in Winnetka, California. From the seller's description, not in running condition, the linkages and steering column have not been set up. Body shell needs to be reinforced and then coated with epoxy. Engine has not run in a long time. It is a thorough project. Comes with a Honda Goldwing engine used as a police motorcycle. And bringing up the rear, we have this 1952 MGTD kit car from Migi Fiberfab, listed for $4,995 US in Missoula, Montana. It's been driven 5,000 miles and has a manual transmission. 1952 MGTD kit car, fiberglass body. It is a Migi Fiberfab kit installed on a 1972 VW Bug frame, has new brakes, 1.6 liter air-cooled flat 4-cylinder Volkswagen engine, 4-speed manual transmission, has heater installed, runs and drives great. Okay, so that's it for today's vehicles. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are enjoying my content, please consider becoming a channel member by clicking the join button below or using the link in the channel details below the video. For about the price of a cup of coffee per month, you'll not only be helping me produce these videos, but you'll have access to each and every video before they go live on YouTube, usually around 24 hours ahead of the videos going live. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.